What's up, guys? So they're currently doing that stuff outside right now. So today I got another curly hair tutorial for you guys. Basically it's gonna be showing you guys how to get soft, defined curls that are gonna last all day. I mean, your hair shouldn't be scrunchy with these two products I'm gonna show you. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna try to make this video short and simple and show you guys the products, this and that. I'm gonna show you guys what shampoo, conditioner that I use, and yeah, that'll be pretty much it. But yeah, I'll show you guys the secret sauce to get y'all right. My hair looks crazy right now. Just some bad hair, and yeah, we're gonna fix that right up though. Boom, boom. We're in my bathroom. First off, I'm gonna be showing you guys my shampoo and conditioner real quick. Alright, I'm back. This isn't a sponsor video or anything, so I just wanted to show you guys what I use. So first off, shampoo. There it is. This is the shampoo I use. Now, I recently just switched over to this shampoo and conditioner. I was just like, I'm gonna give it a try, and it's actually really good. So boom, there it is again. These two products. I'm not gonna wash my hair and stuff because I already done that, so there's no point. Alright, so now I'm about to show you guys the main two products I want you guys to use in order to get this soft and defined curl. First off, boom, you're gonna need one of these. Spray bottle. Always gotta have one, especially for people who constantly use water. The two products are, drum roll, here it is, Shea Moisture. Now, I originally used this product like a while ago, and then I started using Cantu, and I switched back to this because I don't know, this product is just really good. It's kind of pricey. Boom, no sulfates. There it is, right there. Now, the second product is a gel, but it's a protein gel. So there's a little bit of a difference. This product still has a good hold. I used Eco Styling Gel before, and I switched over to this, and it just makes my hair feel better and not all crunchy and stuff. So, boom. Here it is right here. This is what I use. I started using this because I did use the Eco Styling Gel protein gel, and it was actually really nice. I got it when I was in North Carolina. I don't know, I can't find it here for some reason, but yeah, boom. Also, no flaky, no out, so we're good. Those are the two products. I'm gonna get into the routine that I usually do when I wake up in the morning and get ready. So first thing I do is, this might seem like a little weird, but basically I take my spray bottle and I unscrew it, right? And I take like the water that's in here, and then I like kind of pour it in my hair. I know it's like, why would you do that? But it just helps water get to my scalp, the root of my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys, like, cause I'm about to get my floor wet doing this, but I just wanted to demonstrate. You just simply pour it, like, so it gets to the root of your hair like that. Ooh, that just wrecked my floor. Alright, boom, once you do that, the root of your hair should be like wet, obviously the top. Oh, I didn't really show you guys like what my hair and curls look like before, but they're a little wet, but not much that different. So I just wanted to give you guys a little look what my hair looks like before, like when I wake up in the morning, that bit of hair. You can see where I poured the water in. And then like if you guys want to see the back, I don't know, whatever. So anyways, you're gonna be a little wet right here, but it don't really matter because when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna put water on your face anyway. Anyways, so what you're gonna do, fill it back up with warm water, and then you're just gonna spray your hair. So just add a little coat. So yeah, you're just gonna add like a little coat. You see that little fizz on there, or whatever you would call that. just add a quick little coat on there, and then that's it. I like to wet my sides too, just because I usually brush my sides, especially when you got fade. So, anyways, once your hair is, coated and nice and wet, you want to take your product. I usually use about that much. I know it seems like a lot, but I have a lot more hair than it looks. Okay, maybe that was a lot. Anyways, you want to use about that much. Use a generous amount. Depending on how much hair you have, that's how much you use. That was a little overboard, but who cares? We're gonna make it work. Boom. And then what I like to do is I like to really spread it around in my hair. Cause I know a lot of people, they just like, boom, just rub it straight in like the front of their hair. And it's just like, why would you do that, dude? Cause you just put most of the product right there in the center of your hair. But anyways, I like to lather all around. All around the hair. Boom. For whatever reason, my clip just stopped. But anyways, after you dip, you saw I just like the finger through the hair. Just to get it all throughout the hair. As you see, like, even though I use a lot, there's not a lot of like white stuff in your hair. Like, anybody with dark hair knows that when you use like a cream, there's a lot of white stuff left over in your hair. In this case, as you can see, there's not too much left over. All right, once you've done that, depending on like, okay, so let me get this straight. So let's say if you already have, like, let's say if you've done this like 2 days, maybe 3 days in a row. It depends on how often you wash your hair, because I personally wash my hair once a week or twice a week. Okay, so it stopped again. I know why, because I didn't have storage, and so that's why I'm trying to make this a little quicker. Anyways, like, okay guys, I just spent like the last 5 or 10 minutes just like deleting stuff, because I guess I ran out of space on my phone. That's really surprising, but yeah. So yeah, this is my hair right now. Next thing we're gonna do, this product, I'm gonna try to speed this up. Forget what I was talking about before. Basically, just don't overload your hair with product. There's no reason to add more gel if you already have gel still sitting in it from the other day. Anyways, it's your choice depending on how wet your hair is. If it's like kind of damp, if you want it to be like more defined, I add more water. So it's up to you. If you want it to be more drier, then just add the gel in right now. But I'm just adding another coat. Take your product and use about that much. Kind of the same as the cream. Yeah, it's gonna be brown, so that's a good thing because it matches my hair color. So, boom, and just do what I was saying before. Lather it throughout the hair. Try to evenly distribute it, because some people overload product in one place. It just don't turn out good. Boom. And then finger through. If you guys watched my other curly hair tutorial, this will not be new to you. But yeah, finger through the front. If you can't finger through your hair, that just means your hair is not freaking, what's the word? I forgot. Detangled enough. So you should probably start detangling your hair. But yeah, boom. There's gonna be hair that falls out, and that's natural. Boom. Okay. So there it is. That's what it's gonna look like. Boom. There's gonna be. Okay. So, boom. All right. So last step, the most important. Hopefully, like I said, you guys watched my previous tutorial. This won't be new. Hopefully your head not hurting. But what you're gonna do is shake them dreads. Boom. There it is. Just shake them dreads out, dude. Now, if there's like a little bit of product left over on your hair, you can easily just rub that in, or just take a towel or a shirt and get that off. But don't worry about extra product. You can easily get that out. But boom, that's pretty much it. From this point on, you just, separate some curls if you have to. Just style your hair how you like it. There's a little bit of product on this curl I had to get off, but other than that, boom, that's about it. Oh yeah, there's like a mirror right here, obviously I'm in my bathroom. So yeah, just styling my hair. Boom, that's pretty much it. Yeah, finished product. You see, the curls are going crazy. The curls are going, hello, curls are going crazy, my boys. Oh, can't forget, gotta brush that fade. Got to. It's crucial. That's pretty much it. Now I gotta head back into my room. Alright guys, this freaking sun, I don't know what happened to the sun, but anyways, that's it for the video. This is the results. I'm gonna just do like a little stand around for you guys or something, so you guys can see all around. It might not be perfect, but I'm just trying to hurry up and make sure my recording doesn't stop. Like it stopped like 2 times, so yep, that's pretty much it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, the hair should be soft, defined, looking boom, popping. Let me make sure. But yeah, have a good day. Make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below if you guys are trying to see more tutorials, you want to see me try different products, anything. Cause I've been dead and I haven't been posting stuff, so I apologize about that. But I just want to say thank you guys for the 300,000 views on the last curly hair tutorial. Not the last one, but the last one. So yeah, appreciate it a lot. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.